Bluey woke up feeling excited. Today was the day of the backyard treasure hunt. Could she find the hidden treasure? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "What's the first clue?" Bluey grinned. "Let's start searching." Dad appeared at the gate. "Remember to stay safe." Mom carried a small map. Bluey nodded eagerly. They followed the map carefully. The grass swayed in the morning breeze. Bluey's paws pressed into the soft ground. Could they find the treasure quickly? Suddenly, a strange glimmer appeared near the tree. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it be a clue?" They approached carefully. A small note fluttered in the wind. Bluey picked it up. It read, "Follow the flowers to find the next hint." Could it be true? Dad and Mom watched proudly. The girls ran along the flower path. Bluey hopped over a tiny stream. Bingo giggled as she tried to keep up. The flowers glowed softly in the sunlight. Bluey twirled in excitement. Could magic be part of this adventure? Suddenly, a bush shook violently. A friendly rabbit popped out. Bluey laughed in surprise. Bingo clapped her paws. Could the rabbit be part of the treasure hunt? The rabbit hopped ahead, leading them to a hidden clearing. Bluey's eyes widened. There, half buried under a rock, was a sparkling chest. Could this be the treasure? Bluey opened it slowly. Inside were colorful gems and tiny toys. Bingo gasped in delight. They cheered together. Dad and Mom hugged them proudly. "You did it!" Bluey felt her tail wagging joyfully. Could teamwork really make everything possible? As the sun began to set, they carried the treasure home. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible day!" Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this adventure." Bluey smiled brightly. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you loved this treasure hunt, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.